This episode uncovers the Flowbee, a home haircutting system that promised salon quality at a fraction of the cost. Its rise relied on quirky ads, DIY optimism, and a flood of before and after pics that braided trust and curiosity. Marketing missteps crept in as price point and compatibility with different hair types sparked buyer skepticism. Timing and distribution glitches left Flowbee stuck in infomercials, while competitors streamed more convenient options to eager customers. The lesson is clear: focus on pricing fairness, broader hair type compatibility, safety assurances, and better distribution, inviting the audience to decide if Flowbee deserved a second chance.